Hello everybody, this is Itsu. I was intrigued by this little diagram from Joe FR about his step-down transformer going to a 12 volt bulb and fed by a Kacher coil on the left and a pickup coil, two diodes, spark gap, and then a toroid step down going to a car bulb. I decided to use my bigger Kacher I created a few weeks ago to see if I can replicate this. So I have my big Kacher put horizontally with the 3 turns primary and the little streamer somewhere here, and then I will have a pickup coil at the top. It's presently 7 turns, but it could be lower as 5 like Joe did. Then it goes into 2 high voltage diodes, 20 kilovolt, and then into 2 paralleled microwave oven caps, 1.2 microfarad each, making 2.4 microfarad, and then via a spark gap 250 volt AC going to a toroid 220 volts in, 230 volts in at the red side, and then out 2 times 10 volt going to my 12 volt bulb. That's the basic setup I'm using. First want to show you the output of the Kacher. I will fire it up now. You can see a little streamer on top of the little lead here, and at the back we can see that the scope is picking up a nice sine wave, 1.5 volt, and the frequency is around 400 kilohertz. 397-96 kilohertz. The scope probe is hanging somewhere there, so nothing is attached at the moment. So this is my basic setup at the moment. I will now try to hook up the rest of the stuff, see what result it comes from there. Okay, now I have hooked up my 7 turns coil at the top. We can see almost no streamer anymore at the top, and we can see that the lighting arrestor is kind of blinking in a 1 second frequency. I have hooked my multimeter across the caps, and you can see that the caps is being filled in a half a second to second rate till the lighting arrestor fires. And of course, when we feed this into this toroid, nothing happens because the frequency is very low. So I have a 1 hertz or something, 1.5 hertz pulse going into this toroid at 300 volts or something, but this is apparently not enough to trigger the light bulb. You see the frequency is lowered from the 400 kilohertz to 351. So this is not really a good result. I think perhaps my caps are too big, 2.4 microfarad, or the spark gap is not correct one. But I have done some other tests before, and the result was almost the same. That it takes some time in the seconds to load the cap till the spark gap fires. But there's of course room for improvement. Okay, thank you for watching at the moment. Okay, some little tinkering. I moved my pickup coil more to the inside, not at the top of the Kacher coil, and I removed one of the two microwave oven capacitors. This one is not connected, so I only have the first one attached. And when I now hook up the Kacher, you can see that the frequency is increased much. It's about 4 or 5 Hertz now, I think. But still no sign of any activity on the light bulb. This is the signal across the bulb. I had hooked up the red probe. It's a nasty spike. It's about 28 volts. 27, yeah. So there's not much to see there. You can crank it up. This is across the bulb with the red probe. Even touching the pickup coil does increase the frequency, so there's a lot to be gained by some less capacitance. I think it takes too long to go to the 200 and what is it, 20 volt before the fire, the spark gap fires. Okay, thank you.